What's up, everybody? I'm back. One Man Body Shop. Hope everybody out there doing well. I'm trying to stay well over here, but trying to stay busy. I'm gonna get started on this bumper. As you see, I'm gonna take you around, look at all the rough spots. All right, I'm back. I got it taped up. I like taping it up just to block off and see where I'm at, so I'm not all over the place. That's why I tape up. You don't have to, but I tape up at this stage. And then we left that open because we're gonna cut that piece off right there. So we left that open. As you see, it's big chips. Big chips in it. I ain't talking about potato chips. Oh, these big chips. Gouged up right here. Gouged up right there. And this part right here is a mess as well. All chipped up. All that. Gonna get up in there, clean all that up. I could use some paint stripper for a plastic bumper, but I don't have that on me, so I'm just gonna sand it down and see how it looks after that. Got some 220 on the D8. I'm gonna start with, see how that works, and then if that don't, I'm gonna get a little aggressive, go to 100. If that don't, I'm gonna go all the way down to 60. Now you don't want to touch a plastic bumper with 60 grit, but if I have to take it down, I will.
Perfect.
good. Check it on the side a little. Haven't cut out this side yet. Let me get some light. Haven't cut out this side yet. That side's next. I'm gonna finish that on up. I'm working my main problems up in here, working all that out. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. One Man Body Shop.
Perfect, perfect.